Today, I'll show you how to use the WP Vivid plugin's Auto Migrate feature to copy and migrate a website from one staging site to your own. As you can see, we have the staging site on the right side of the screen and your own staging site on the left. Before we begin the migration, make sure you have the WP Vivid plugin installed on both websites. It's also a good idea to clean up your website's plugins first. This prevents any confusion once we transfer the website files over from the staging site. So, we need to delete any unnecessary plugins and leave only WP Vivid. To do this quickly, let's select all the plugins and use bulk actions to deactivate and delete them all at once. We should also remove Brizy and Brizy Pro since they are already installed on the source staging site. Keeping them might cause a conflict if the same plugin is active on our target website. To speed up the migration, we'll use WP Vivid's Auto Migrate feature. For this to work, we just need to generate a key from the source staging site. To do this, just click on the Key tab on your target website, the one we are copying the site to. Next, click Generate to create the key. After that, select everything, right-click, and hit Copy. Then, head over to the source site in the other window, paste the key, and press Save. Next, let's start cloning and transferring the website. Just click on Clone, then Transfer. This might take a little while, so I'm going to fast forward the video. This process can take at least 10 minutes. Right now, it's compressing all the files so they're easier to transfer over to the other website, so please be patient during this part of the process. As you can see, the backup and file transfer are complete. Let's switch over to the other window to check out the backup we just copied. As you can see, the backup has arrived. For our next step, we just need to hit Restore, click the Restore button once more, and then click OK. This part also takes a bit of time, so I'm going to fast forward the video again. Now, it's uncompressing the website files and the database. Once it's done, a pop-up will appear confirming the process is complete. Just click OK. You'll then be logged out automatically, so you just need to enter your username and password to log back in. Now, let's preview the front end of your website. As you can see, the layout is broken. If you encounter this issue, you can try to fix it by resetting your permalinks. Just go to Settings, then Permalinks, make sure it is set to post name, and then hit Save Changes. Try clearing your cache as well, and then check the front end again to see if that fixed the layout. If it's still broken, we'll need to use the Layout Recompiler tool to get everything looking right. To install the Layout Recompiler, go to Plugins, then add New Plugin. Search for Layout Recompiler for Brizy and hit Install Now. This simple plugin can fix broken layouts after a site migration or whenever your layout breaks after a Brizy Builder update. Activate the plugin, and then let's head back to the plugins area to make sure it's ready to go. Before we run it, let's check out the front end one more time so we can see a clear before and after once the Recompiler plugin does its job. To fix the layout, head over to Tools and click on Layout Recompiler. Then, just hit the Start Recompilation button and wait for it to reach 100%. It recompiles your pages one by one, so give it a few moments to finish. The time it takes will depend on how many pages, posts, and templates you have. Now that the process is complete, let's head back to the front end and check our pages. As you can see, everything looks exactly the way it should. After using the Layout Recompiler for Brizy, there's no need to keep it active. You can go ahead and delete it from your plugins list. You can always reinstall it later if you ever encounter another Brizy website with a broken layout. And that's all there is to it. That's how easy it is to use the WP Vivid plugin for website migrations and the Layout Recompiler to fix any broken layouts. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out.